Hello kids, good morning, 5th graders and 6th graders, how are you doing? Today I'm going to explain you how to work with EdPuzzle, alright? EdPuzzle. Why? Because on Tuesday you are going to work on Olympics. Year 5 students, we're going to start a new unit, it's about the Olympics. And Year 6 students, you are going to work on internet safety, alright? These are the new topics we're going to work on for 2-3 weeks, all right? And the first task on Tuesday is a questionnaire on EdPuzzle, okay? So, to do so, I'm going to show you my screen and you are going to know how to do it. Why is not working? No. So, if we come here, you're going to, okay, you open a new tab, all right? And here, CEIP, Maria Moliner, you come into the blog of the school to find the link to go to EdPuzzle, all right? So we come here, planificación de tareas, 18-22 mayo, quinto primaria o sexto primaria, okay? And now you come in here, you press on it, and you look for the link I gave you, okay? So we are on the tasks for year 5. So we come here, literacy, new topic, Olympics, all right? And it says vídeo con cuestionario incorporado que tendrán que hacer a través de la aplicación EdPuzzle. So if you click on the link, it goes straight to the website, all right? And now here, I'm moving to your left. Okay, so you see it says username and password. Okay, as we don't have it, a username or a password, we're going to come here. Don't have an account? Sign up. We sign up and we say sign up with EdPuzzle, all right? And here you're going to register yourself to log in, okay? So first name, Ricky. Last name, Mouse, Ricky Mouse. Username, Ricky Mouse. This is my username. Please write as a first name and your last name as your real names, okay? And then here the username, you can try with your first name and your last name and just press it. If the username is already taken, you can write 2 or 3 or your favorite number, 75, I don't know, anyone, okay? And then on the password, you create a password for this, all right? For example, my password is going to be blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to show you my password, okay? And then I go here, join class, you see? You must make sure on this screen, it says literacy year 5 for 5th graders or literacy year 6 for 6th graders, okay? This is my name, the name of the teacher who has created the video, okay? And here you've got a class code, right? I think it's not important because if I go and click on join class, you go straight to the video I created. It says should have 6 characters or more, and I wrote only 4. So I'm going to write this one. Make sure it has 6 characters or more, okay? So join class. I'm going to save my password for next times, all right? Okay, moving up. So here, if you click on the play button, the video is going to start, all right? As you see, it says the Olympic Games, how it all began. There is a video, and when a question pops up, the video will stop, okay?
The Olympic Games. Great, aren't they? But do you know where the story begins? Well, once upon a time, a long, long time ago. That's right, come on, yes, hurry up, over here in Greece. Well, ancient Greece to be exact. But
okay, now here a question has just popped up on your right side of the screen, okay? And this is a question where it says, where did the Olympics begin? It began in Greece, it began in ancient Rome, it began in ancient Greece. As you see, you can click more than one option, okay? Here, obviously, there's only one correct answer, okay? You see ancient Greece, so no Rome, and now we've got Greece or ancient Greece. It's clear it says ancient Greece, okay? So then when we know the answer, we click on submit. For example, now imagine you didn't understand the question, you can rewatch that part of the video. I'm going to click on rewatch, okay?
Well,
Then it comes back
once upon a time,
to the beginning
long
of the information
time ago.
part.
That's right. Come on. Yes, hurry up. Over here in Greece. Well, ancient Greece to be exact. But
Okay, so ancient Greece, I think it's correct. I click on submit and it says, well, 100% out of 100%. It means all the questions done so far are correctly answered, okay? So now we click on continue.
But do you know exactly where they began? Right here, at the foot of the highest mountain in Greece, Mount Olympus. This is where the very first Olympic Games were held in the ancient world.
Okay, again, now pops up a different question. What part exactly of ancient Greece held the first Olympics? If you've been listening to the audio, it says Mount Olympus, Mount Olympic, Olympus Mount. Mount Olympus, I don't know. Mountain Olympic, I don't know. Olympus Mount, I don't know. Okay, as you see, you can click more than one option because there's one question where you will have to check because there's more than one correct answer, okay? I'm going to click the three of them, then it's going to be, it's wrong, okay? I click on submit. Okay, you see? For example, now imagine I didn't do it correctly, so I click on rewatch.
Do you know exactly where they began? Right here, at the foot of the highest mountain in Greece, Mount Olympus. This is where the very first Olympic Games were held in the ancient world.
Okay. Okay, now, because I already answered, I can't change my answer. Okay, so please make sure that you click on the correct option because if you don't, you can't change your option, all right? So continue.
Now, what are your maths like? Can you work out how long ago the first games took place? 776 years before the Common Era, Greece was one of the most advanced countries in the world.
We can skip the
Okay,
questions.
so the men did wear dresses. They called them togas. And they stood around talking about politics and philosophy and
Okay, what year did the Olympic Games, begin? I think it's 776 before Common Era. You see? So I click here, submit. It's correct. Okay, we
really
continue.
brainy stuff like that. While the women had to run the household and look after the
Blah, 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 blah.
and be bossed around by the men. But the ancient Greeks were very clever and hard-working, and they invented some fantastically useful and brilliant things. Like central heating. Yes, central heating. Toasty warm in winter. And showers. Very useful in that hot, sticky summer weather. Now, the Chinese say that they invented the wheelbarrow, but the Greeks used them too, and they invented a weapon called the crossbow, made of wood, which they used in battle. And they worked out how to make a crane. Very good for lifting heavy things. But let's get back to the Olympic Games. And you know where the word Olympic comes from, don't you? From Mount Olympus. The ancient Greeks believed that the 12 Olympic gods lived on top of the mountain. So
now a new question pops up. Where did Greeks think the 12 Olympic gods lived? They thought they lived close to Mount Olympus, they thought they lived on the top of Mount Olympus, or they thought they lived at the foot of Mount Olympus. So you click on the correct option, all right? I'm not going to say it anymore, okay? So you know how this works, okay? And now, for a second, okay, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to the end of the video to show you how to proceed once the activity is finished, all right? Okay, I'm going to show you as well this question, okay, because in this question it says tick up to 3 options. It means there are more than one just correct answer, okay? As you see here on this information, okay, you must take 3 of these possible answers, all right? So for example, it says no ladies, no slaves, and only people who can speak Greek. So with this information, you are going to take only 3 options, okay? With this information, up to 3 options, okay? So keep going, and then at the end of the video, I will show you how to do it to send your correct answers to my mail, right? So now, when we finish answering all the questions, do you see here? Okay, this icon is in green, it's because you answered correctly the question. If the icon is in red, it is because you didn't answer correctly. Okay, so now it says here, you see, you're done. It means you're finished. And now here it says show results. If you click on it, you see how many correct responses you've been given. Okay, so 91 out of 100. So it means it's a 9. Okay, so now that you understand how this works, okay, I let you know that you should do your homework. Okay, so do your homework and then your answers automatically come to my mail. Don't worry about it. Okay, you just have to log in as I told you at the beginning of the video. Bye bye.